Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word linearly. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The data points on the graph are arranged linearly, showing the consistent pattern of increase over time. Linearly means arranged in a straight line or following a direct and consistent progression, typically showing a uniform increase or decrease over time. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.